When we think about equipment and the type of equipment you're going to need and how you're going to get that for free, one of the ways that you can do that is, like I shared with Smells Like Community Spirit, I had the friend who was going to be the DP cinematographer for the film who already had camera, lens, tripod, lights. I was able to tap into my network and get some additional sound gear. But there are some other ways that you can get the equipment that you need for little to no money as well. Again, you're going to tap into that network of friends and like-minded people that you've built. You can look for crew members who also own equipment. Look at your local public access TV station. They're going to give you access to their equipment. Now, the thing to consider with public access is a lot of times the way that they work is they will give you access to their equipment to use, but you need to use that equipment for content that then will air on the public access station. So what you can do is you can book that equipment with them, use it for the days that you need for your feature film, then do some cuts of some of that content that could air on the public access station, but it doesn't necessarily have to be the entire film. Maybe there's some alternative scenes or something like that, or some goofy things that you can do. Maybe it's an interview with yourself about the film that you're making, and that can be the content that you provide to them in exchange for the equipment that you're getting from them. You can also look to schools and universities. When I was attending college, our university had a policy that we could actually check out some of the nice equipment regularly if we were using it for projects, not necessarily school projects, but that we wanted more experience on. So you might be able to do that, or you partner with a current student of a university and they're going to check out that equipment and then you're going to use it for your film. Again, places of worship are often going to have some sort of ministry or group related to making content, and you might be able to leverage that or partner with folks who are a part of that to use that equipment. If you're going to have to spend money on equipment, there's also the approach of renting for a weekend. And what that is if you rent the equipment on Friday and return on Monday, you may only have to pay a 1-day rental fee, but you're going to get it for 2.5, 3 days. So you can look at that, and maybe you shoot your film over a series of weekends and you're paying a fraction of the cost that you would if you had to rent all of the equipment for a 5, 10, 15-day run.